Hi, I'm Ray. Well, today I'm in the allotment and I'm looking at my pears. And I don't know whether you know that pears ripen from the inside outwards. Not like apples and cherries and other things like that. They actually grow, and they grow on the tree and they ripen inwards and then go out. So if you're waiting for your pears to ripen on the tree, by the time they're soft on the outside, it'll be a bit too late and they might be squashy inside. So how do we know when the pears are ready? Well, we're late in the season of October and they were pretty ready now. And there is one way to tell, it's just by lifting them up. If we can lift them up and they pop off, then they're ready and ripen. So we try this one, just lift. So that one didn't come off. Next one, lift, and it comes off. So these are ready, but they're still too hard. They're still quite firm. So all we need to do now is to take these into a nice cool space, like a barn or kitchen or table or shed, and just lay them out on the table and they will ripen themselves. So I'm going to ripen off our pears and I'll harvest the rest of them. So lift, lift, and we're going to go round taking off all our pears. Lift. How's that? What a lovely looking pear. So there we go, a lovely bunch of pears, and they all started off in a single tree, just like this purchase from Tesco's when they had an offer. I think it was 3 for £10 or £12. We just planted that at the allotment and we've got another one to go down and follow. So let me know in the comments if you've got any pears growing on your allotment or in your garden. Let me know how they're doing. And we really think having 2 pears in the allotment of cross-pollination has caused my plant to produce more pears than it ever has done this year. So let me know in the comments, is that a thing? Let me know and that'd be great. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more. So, thanks a lot. Cheers for now. Bye bye.